In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Basecamp to your device. We'll walk through the process from inside your Basecamp account so you can safely download and save your project data, like messages and files, to your computer or another device. This is really useful if you want a backup, need to share information with someone outside of Basecamp, or are switching tools and want to keep a copy of everything. First, sign into your Basecamp account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look for the home screen. This is typically the main dashboard where you see an overview of your projects and tools. From there, you'll want to scroll down to find the Admin LAN section. It's usually located toward the bottom of the page and might not stand out at first glance, so don't worry if you have to look around for a moment. Admin LAN is where all the account level settings live, including exports. Click into Admin LAN. On this page, you'll see a variety of options related to managing your account, projects, and people. What you're looking for is the option that lets you export data from this account. It will usually be labeled clearly with wording like, "Export data from this account," or something very close to that. Go ahead and click that link. Once you've clicked the export link, Basecamp will guide you through a short process to choose what you want to export. Depending on your version and settings, you may be able to export everything from all projects, or in some cases, you might select specific projects. The export will typically include your project's core data, such as messages, discussions, documents, files, and sometimes related metadata like dates and participants. After confirming your export request, Basecamp will prepare the data. This can take a little time if you have a lot of projects or large files, so be patient. When it's ready, Basecamp usually gives you access in one of two ways, either by sending a download link to your email address or by providing an immediate download link right on the screen. Check for that message or link, then click to download the export file to your device. Your data will often come as a compressed file, like a zip archive. After it finishes downloading, you can open or extract it on your computer to browse through the folders and files inside. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Basecamp data to your device, giving you your own copy of your projects outside of Basecamp.